my name is Kelsey. I'm 7 years old and I'm from 2P. Today I'm going to draw a peacock in my simple version. The things that he needs are crayons, colorful markers, a black marker to draw, and an A4 simple paper. Let's get started. I hope that you can follow me according to our video. So let's take our A4 paper and our black marker. Look! So the first thing, we're going to make a small eye on the middle. Just a small tiny circle. And we're going to put another circle in it. And another circle, but a little bit tiny. Just like this. Then we're going to color it in, except there's two circles inside it. So it's like a flag. Then we're going to make a little like beak. Like this. Then we're gonna make the whole, put this right here and make like a curve. Then a peacock looks like they're frowning, so go right here. We put another one. Okay, we're done with the frown. Now we're gonna do the bottom of the beak, so by using a little curve, boom. Just like that. Now we're gonna make the head, because if it's an animal, where's the head? So we're gonna put from the point here and make a curve there. So now we're gonna make the body like this, like a S. Now we're gonna make a little line under the beak that we just made. Yes. Now we're gonna make the neck. So that line is just for the beginning of the neck. Then you got a curve and make the body through as we go. So the next step is we're gonna make the feathers. Not really the feathers that they pop out, but the feathers like the crown, you know? There's like crowns. So we're gonna make circles. So after we're done with the circles, we're gonna do overlapping. So we're gonna put another circle, like a small semicircle. Okay, there's more on the back. So after we're done with the overlapping, we're going to connect it. So these two. Ta-da! So now on peacock face, sometimes they have this pattern. So we're going to do a curve. I'm going to do it again. And another curve right down there. So after we're done with that, we're gonna make like a little dot here. After we're done with the eye pattern, now we're gonna do the body, like curve. Keep on doing it, just like a pattern. And do the same thing as the left side. And color them in. After we're done, we're gonna make the pattern, this thing, under it like that. And just like that. We're gonna color the two patterns that we just made black. Ta-da! And now we're gonna make the eye, you know, when a peacock pops out a little feather thing on the like wings, they usually have their like green eye spots. So let's make that. So this is it for the done with the drawing or done with the pattern. So there's one last step before we color. So we're gonna make the lines. Now it's time to color. We're gonna color the peacock's body purple. This is it. Our peacock drawing is already done. I hope you like it. Most important thing, you stay creative and have fun. Bye for now.